locations in the world where mines and cities grow together next to each other. In our case, the main problem was environmental condition of the surface waters from Romanian and from the Serbian side. Second objective was to define and propose efficient technology for the neutralization of waters and for the recovery of elements which are defined in EU critical raw material list. The main obstacle was COVID-19 situation that made the realization of the project more difficult regarding the sampling, exchanging of the sample from both sides of the border, organizing live workshops, educations and training for the pupils and students.
The main goals of our project were to assess the water quality in the mining operation areas, to educate in the field environmental protection, and to raise awareness of inhabitants regarding the problems due to mining activities. The biggest achievement of our project is the knowledge base, that is a trustworthy digital library that can be used by everyone searching for information in environmental protection.
The implementation of the project takes into account new procedures and state-of-the-art equipment, laboratory equipment, which is purchased in scope of the project. This equipment significantly increased the capacities of both laboratories in our network and, of course, could be used in future for any environmental consideration or could be transferred to any other locations with mining activities for the same environmental consideration or solving environmental problems.
We think it is important to continue monitoring and educational activities in the field of environmental protection in mining areas. We also think to enlarge our cross-border network by involving other laboratories, such as to provide more intense environmental protection services.